This is the Philips Norelco 7000. It comes with quite a few pieces for your shaving and rather trimming needs. So I just wanted to show you guys how well it works. So you can see that I have the attachment here and I have it pretty short. So you can see I already did the bottom of my neck, but it's very convenient. It's cordless completely, and it comes with a carrying case. And then in that case, you have all the different pieces here. But let me show you how this works. So you just turn it on. And it's hard to film and shave at the same time. And as you can see, it works really well. It's super quick. It doesn't clog. It doesn't get any less powerful as you are going through trimming your beard. And it's pretty convenient, especially when you're not filming with the other hand. But you can see on this side. There you go, and you can be pretty agile with it as well. So you can see I left the goatee here. I'm gonna get rid of it. So if I want to, I just turn it on. And it's gone. So that is a very quick, not review, just test of the Norelco 7000 from Philips. This is just one of the 23 attachments. I'm not gonna do a whole series on them, but if you wanna know if it works, yes, it works well. It feels very sturdy, it's solid. Probably can't hear me knocking on it, but that is the Norelco 7000. If you needed a video of it. Don't worry, I kept using it after that take, and now my face is clean thanks to the Norelco 7000.